Hey guys, today we're going to be learning from a website called Desmos. And I thought this might be kind of a cool one because all you really need to do is just move things across your screen. You're not going to be able to do this on a phone. You're going to need to have a tablet or a computer for this. So the first thing, match the equation with the correct verbal description. The best way for me to tell you is let's first get all of the different equations on each side because we've worked with linear, we've worked with y equals mx plus b quite a lot. Exponential is a little different, but I want to pull some for you. Look, this is exponential and this one's exponential. Notice that there's an exponent. Exponential has the word exponent. So look for those first. And then what you're going to be doing is you're going to find an equation that has to go with the description. So these two have a 3 and a 2. Let's see. Michael has $2. He makes 3 an hour. Add 3, add 3, add 3, add 3. I know add 3, add 3, add 3 means this is going to be 3x plus 2. So he has 2, and then for 1 hour, he adds 3. For 2 hours, he'd be adding 6. So these two cards are going to go together. You're going to put them on top of each other, and it'll link them up. Now, something like this one, interest rate kind of reminds you compound interest, maybe, hopefully. You might be able to find these are a little bit easier because in a lot of the pieces are the numbers are there for you, but this one's going to go here. So the percents, anything with a percent is going to go with those exponential because compound interest actually is exponential, and you can move things around if you need to move them around. But I think that would be the easiest way. Look at all the linear ones, get them going, and then maybe the exponential. And then the next one, you're going to have to decide if a table is linear or exponential. And just remember what we did yesterday. Linear is when it adds, that pattern is going to add, and exponential is that pattern that's going to multiply. So if you notice the y numbers adding, linear, you notice the y numbers are multiplying. Oh, wait a minute, what's happening here? These numbers are decreasing. But are they subtracting? Subtract 15, subtract. No, that's not subtract. This is actually multiplying by a fraction, multiplying. Well, it's actually dividing by 4 every time. Dividing by 4, dividing by 4. And dividing by 4 is the same as multiplying by 1/4. So if something is tricky, it might be because you're multiplying by a fraction. So check that out. Try and do some of the easier ones first. You will figure this out. Make sure you log in so I can see that you did it, and just do your best.